This conference
Hmm.
will now be recorded.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I use the index and match function for each of the category, country, and price, ma'am.
Who taught you index and match function?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. You told you have to do it in any way which is possible. So I
Hmm.
tried.
I told
And
you in the way of for which we had in the class, the functions which we did in the class.
ma'am, even if I try the if error function and all, ma'am, we
Hmm.
get a error message, no, ma'am.
Hmm.
There, if we click on help on this error, we get that dialog box, ma'am. So
Hmm.
there I searched and then I edited the formulas, ma'am.
What question are
Ma'am,
you
can I answer?
answering? What question are you answering, Sushmita? The assignment of category product.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Okay. Next, what you did?
Ma'am, for
Tell
each of the
me.
category, country, and price, I put formula,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Then I try to combine all the formula so that I get it
Hmm.
once we enter the product.
Um.
I got the category and country, but I couldn't get the price.
Ma'am, can I try?
Hmm. Who's that? Lakshmi.
Ma'am, Lakshmi, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I actually only got the amount part. I've used the if function where if the quantity is greater than zero, that time it'll automatically multiply the price and quantity. If not, it'll give a blank space. And for the product name and country and stuff, I tried using VLOOKUP function and HLOOKUP, ma'am, like a combination, but I couldn't really figure that part out.
Ma'am, I used the VLOOKUP formula.
I just got the amount part, ma'am.
Okay. Toba. Tuba. What? Who was that?
Yes,
I could
ma'am.
not
I
read your
used the
name.
VLOOKUP formula for everything.
Okay. Yes. Others? Anyone else who tried?
Yes,
Sushmita,
ma'am, even I
what did you do?
even I tried in VLOOKUP function, ma'am. Ma'am, even I
Hmm.
tried with VLOOKUP, but I couldn't get it.
See, using only VLOOKUP, what is that you did is that you gave to the category. One of you can just Lakshmi or Sushmita, just put a photograph of the data. Hmm.
Ma'am, I sent it to WhatsApp.
Okay. See, you using VLOOKUP. What you do is, you go to the category and you say that look up for that particular data, about data, correct? And then you use the product, and then you use the particular category, correct? This is what you do.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, when in the country, again you said that this is supposed to add, like if this is this, and then you get that data, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why is that you did not get the prize?
Ma'am, I got the prize.
Ma'am,
Then
even I
what you
got the
did not
prize.
get? Then what you did not
I've
get?
got the amount part, ma'am, like
Hmm.
by using if function, where if the quantity is greater
If
than zero,
function, no.
that time.
See. Sorry, if you do not have if here, because orange. which is fruit in USA, is 100% to be 40 rupees only. Okay.
Ma'am, talking about the amount, ma'am, like after multiplying with quantity, actually, sorry.
Then you don't have to. Total, you can just give some there. Why do you want to use if? Just give total here, no, is equal to so product you give, no, total as is equal to 40 multiplied, but that quantity, any
Yes,
quantity
ma'am. I
you put
use the
automatically,
product function, ma'am,
huh,
to get the total amount.
automatically it must.
I
Ma'am,
thought that, no, ma'am, I actually thought that maybe it will automatically have to take the amount and quantity and do it like that. So I just,
Okay, but I see nobody have tried what I thought you would try. I, I have another data. Okay, one second, I'll share the screen. I'll just take the names: Sushmita, Lakshmi, Kirtana, Rupa. Okay.
ma'am, the amount part even I did with product.
Samira, yes, Samira also I saw. And Toba.
Ma'am, even I sent you the assignment mail, ma'am.
Ma'am, even
Oh,
I saw.
Ma'am, even I have
assignment,
sent you, ma'am.
whoever has sent assignment will get the marks, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
I've seen all the,
Okay, ma'am.
I'm just mentioning these. Or else Sushmita will eat me if I don't give her marks.
Ma'am, I also set the answer.
No, ma'am.
Shaista, Sushmita is telling you did not tell the answer.
Ma'am, she's telling you said Sushmita will eat me, no, ma'am. For that she said no.
I've seen, see, I also get your reports whoever was speaking and not. So don't worry. One second. Okay, I will share one screen. This data I'll be sharing with all of you for your practice. Is my screen visible, class?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It's visible.
Show you here. See, now as per this data now, east-west is common, the city is common. Okay, what you had was only the city was common, correct? What option you can also do is, yes,
Even the
you,
category, ma'am. Fruits and vegetables.
correct, you even you had to. So yes, you use the VLOOKUP for rest of the functions, telling if the product is this and you get east, you get west, you get north, south, etc. So here my product will repeat, okay, my region will repeat, my city will repeat. Price will remain the same for the product. Okay, so what you can do is you can use the option called data validation. Whatever VLOOKUPs you have used is correct only. I'm not telling it is wrong. Index and match is also correct, but I have not thought that yet for you. So I did not expect you to do that. That's all. Instead of whole numbers, we take it as list and give the source as, for example, I'm giving it as east and do OK. You get a drop down list for each. So now what I put here is equal to VLOOKUP, this particular complete data table. Second, if it is east, to be shown as Boston. If it is west, to be shown as Los Angeles. We'll not take south. Okay. To the whole table, column number will be 2. Your index will be L23, correct, or L22? L22. Okay, and automatically again for the product I will put the list, and VLOOKUP I will give for the product here. In case you want completely different for all of this, then I will give data validation for all these 3 also. Value for this, comma, table array is this, comma, column index number is this, comma, 0. Why is it showing the reference is not right? Oh, correct. Instead of giving 2, I believe I gave that, I gave it as E9 the last time. That is why it came as thing. So automatically when I give, see, South is also taking as New York, the last, whatever is there. Why is it not showing? L26. Oh, okay. See, what happened here is when I did a autofill, even the D13, D16 changed. So what you do is you convert this to table so that this particular will not increase. Class, I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that you are you able to follow? In case I have a product also to be same, then I can give VLOOKUP here also. Okay, VLOOKUP here also, and then automatically I'll get the price. Same VLOOKUP for price. As I'm telling you, I have different products. I'm giving here also a data validation. I repeat, select the area, go to data validation, go to any value to list, take the source and do OK. Agree, disagree. So those things you can do it using this data validation type. You want me to give you 2 minutes to do this, or we can go further?
Ma'am will do it once.
Do it. Let me know once done, we can go further.
Excuse me, ma'am. Could you please
Hmm.
repeat how did you autofill the VLOOKUP for for the country, ma'am, like the city?
First, convert the whole data to a table, and then see this F2. Did you get that?
Ma'am, I've done the same thing. Like I was confused how to autofill the VLOOKUP for all the
That
all
is
the
only
cells, ma'am.
click and drag, how you do for other functions.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
as it is also continuing, so what I told you is convert that to table so that you can give the table name and or do that name manager. So give that
Okay, ma'am.
name only for the data range.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, you
Tell me.
told we would do flash fill once again today.
What one?
You told we would do flash fill once again.
Yeah. We'll do flash fill, and we're done with. We're left with some other functions. We'll do that.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, class, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear? You could able to do with data validation, and immediately VLOOKUP would apply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Here, your automatically flash fill option. This option must be activated. So that time automatically whatever you want from the data will be filled in the required area. One data you'll have from that you want something in a different area, you can just take it through flash fill, automatic flash fill to the adjacent column. Like some of you did with the last name, some of you did with the, I think some of you also did with the countries. Okay, do them. Like even if you go here under fill, you have flash fill here, same thing. Yes, we were done with these. I think check accessibility also was your assignment,
Yes,
class.
ma'am.
Yes. Sushmita, you answered
Yes,
only
ma'am.
which you did, correct? You did not answer this. You did not even remind me this because you did not do it.
No, ma'am, I did it. I did the subtotal also. I did the check accessibility also.
Okay. Harshita Shivkumar, can you tell me? Stuti, Rutu, hmm. Sushmita, you're the only one who did.
Ma'am,
Tell
I
me,
also did it.
I tried it, ma'am.
who is that?
Ma'am, I did
Rupa. What
subtotal.
happened? What happened? Your try with accessibility.
Yes, ma'am. So in the site, there's something called inspection results, and there were some options, and
Hmm?
when we selected those options, it led us to the those particular cells, ma'am. Like under merge cells option, there were
Correct.
the names of cells which were merged. It was not on the same sheet, but various sheets.
Hmm.
So when we click on this particular cell, it
Hmm.
leads us to the sheet, ma'am, whichever sheet it is.
Okay. Sushmita, tell me. Sushmita, -5. She'll be thinking, why did I join early and ask ma'am that I've done all the
Ma'am, can I
assignments?
tell?
Tell me.
Ma'am, it categorizes things into errors, warnings, and tips, ma'am. And then it takes us
Hmm.
to the, like, if there is any error in the thing, what we have done, the formulas, or whatever we have done in the working area, if there is any
Hmm.
error or if there is any tip that we need to correct, when we click
Hmm.
that particular thing, which error it shows, then it takes us to the particular place where there is an error, and then we can correct it.
Okay. Good.
Ma'am, I was speaking.
Tell me.
Ma'am, we can see a list of errors, ma'am, and warnings and also tips to how to fix those errors, ma'am. And in case
Hmm.
the accessibility is good, we get a display box below, ma'am. That is
Hmm.
like you get a message that good to go or something like that.
Hmm. Okay.
There's an option to unmerge cells also, ma'am.
Hmm. Anyone else who's tried? So it was Sushmita, Rupa, and
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Shrishta. Hmm?
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Hmm.
Ma'am, I was trying to unmute, sorry. Even I have tried the check accessibility, ma'am.
Hmm.
Like, uh, it shows you all the data wherever you have errors and wherever the formulas or any errors are there. And
Hmm.
it directly takes you to that place where the error is and also gives you tips how to correct your errors and stuff like that, ma'am.
Yes. So basically, your check accessibility is your inspection mode. Okay. So it shows you, one second. It shows you what mistakes you have done or what where you have done, if you want to correct them or if you want to take a look. So everything you do it in your checks accessibility. It is something like it has been a kind of recording, but not exactly. Yes, anything error or any such can be found by check accessibility. One second. Now you can see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you check accessibility, you get your errors here. You get your default sheets. What is where? Okay. You can see your additional informations. Read more about making your document accessible. So all these things is available here. So to translate one file, the word is document. So I want my document word to be translated in Hindi. So you can see here it is translated in Hindi. Just click on insert, it will get inserted. I'll show you again. Click on translate. It gives you a warning telling that will be the internet who is translating the text. So it may or may not be safe. So third party transaction services is provided. So it is asking you it's just giving you a warning whether you want to continue this or not. Say yes. Say yes and give here the word and click on the arrow. So you can convert to any other. Hindi. Click on insert. It will get inserted there. Is that clear, everyone? Translate. Do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it, everyone. Tell me if you are not able to translate. Okay, comment. So you can give a comment to a particular cell. Close this. Keep your cursor, new comment. So this cell will have a name. I mean, you can give, for example, I'll give here comment, I'll give here as product countries may differ, product is the same. So when you go there, it will show. File, go to options, username. You might have as admin your username, same username you'll have when you are doing with the new comment. See here NICT. So I'll say total of price, and I will say as product of price and quantity. So wherever you want, maybe this particular date, if you want to give a date when it is, then so you can give here any date or anything. Edit, edit. So it shows you next comment. Okay, next, next, next. Microsoft Excel reached the end of the workbook. Do you want to continue reviewing from the beginning of the workbook? I will say okay or cancel. Anything doesn't matter. Okay, again next, next, next. You can go. Then previous end of the workbook. Do you want to know from beginning? Okay. Now you go to previous, 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 previous. Next, you don't want that. Click on. Okay, you want to show all comments. See, all the comments will be seen. Click on that, it will go. And next, if you don't want that, delete. Delete. Next, delete. Do it, everyone. Take down this. Try put 5 comments. Go to next comment and see. Previous comment and see. All things what I did now, try them all. Done class. Next. Is the PowerPoint visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think check accessibility is not there. You can write down on your own. It is like to inspect the work done in the Excel. It is also which records the errors and rectifies them, help us rectifies them. Next is to protect a sheet. So I have food sales here. I am protecting this particular sheet only. Click on protect sheet. So selected locked cells. Select unlocked cells. Format cells. Okay. What we will do is give a password 123 and go. enter the same password. Of the first password as well. Now, the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet. You might be requested to enter the password. So you will get this error when you have protected a particular sheet. This is used when, see, encryption of workbook encrypts the complete workbook. Correct. So when you unencrypt it by giving a password, you will be accessible to the whole sheet. But for example, I am sending this data to Sushmita and I want her only to view the data. Okay. I don't want her to do any changes in the food sales. There is one more sheet where she can do her changes or she can um, add anything to that. So only one sheet I want to protect. If I protect only the workbook, what happens? To her to view the food sales, she have to open the workbook. To open the workbook, I should give her the password. So automatically, this part also will be accessible to her. So what I will do is I will protect this one sheet and keep the rest as it is wherever she will be able to edit. Is that clear? Protect sheet. I'll do it for
Excuse
another
me,
sheet. Hmm?
ma'am. The Excel sheet is not visible. The Excel notes are visible, ma'am. I mean the PowerPoint.
Yes, ma'am.
One second.
Yes, ma'am.
You are not able to see my now.
Now the Excel sheet is seen, ma'am.
Okay. So you were not able to see what I did with the protect sheet last time, correct? I will do again. One second. Keep the sheet you want to. Click on protect sheet. Give a password. Enter. Re-enter the same password. Enter. Okay. And now you see it says the cell or the chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet. You might be requested to enter a password. Okay. So if you go to another sheet, you are able to do. But when you go to that particular sheet, it is not until unless you unprotect it. Now, protect workbook, you know. Click on protect workbook. That's good. Same, you save it. Only then it is accessible. Okay. Now, protecting workbook is to protect the complete book, and sheet is individual sheets. Allow edit range is, for example, I have to allow Rupa to edit in this area, but not in this. Okay, so I will give her the access for this and not for this. What should I do is allow edit range, click on new, select the range, give a password. Okay, re-enter the password. Now click on apply. Protect your sheet. And then now, okay, here, sorry, password. Correct. Did you get the difference? You can also allow it without a password. Now I will click here. I will unprotect the sheet. Allow, new. I will not give a password. I will just press OK. Apply. I am applying the range too. Okay. Now I'll protect. Protect. Here. I will write. Here. I am not able to. Yes? Try that, everyone. Everyone, allow edit range. Is that clear? Are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. This is just to hide ink for your comments. Okay? Try them. You got to demo all the comments. 1 second, you cannot see the PowerPoint, is it? Class, is the PowerPoint visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Class, I'm audible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Mm, don't take this. So you have that share option, correct? So while sharing, it will protect and then it will share. Okay. Next, view tab. Is my Excel sheet visible, class?
No, ma'am. Now it's visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First thing you have is the views. As I told you in the first class when I was explaining you about the components of the Excel sheet, that these three are the views. Okay, normal view, page layout view, and page break view. What are the difference? Normal view is where you work. Page break view, it shows you the last written column, used cell. See here, I'll do a page break. See, this is what is written. So it is what a page break. Remember, we put a page break. Correct. What was happening in when we put a page break? Anyone?
Ma'am, till wherever I've put the page break, that will form into one page, and that is what will be printed, ma'am, in one particular
Correct.
sheet.
So that would go into one sheet. So here what it shows is in the page break, complete page. There only view wherever we keep our cursor there. Here whatever is written will be viewed. So page layout view. You already worked on page layout tab using that view about your header, footers, or any other datas, normal margin, wide margin, narrow margin. So all these would be seen in the page layout view. Why is the cursor? take different sheets. You already have in your thing, you have different sheets, so not a matter for you. I'm just doing some things in the different sheets. Go to custom view and go to add. You can give a name for it. Custom view, click show. See, sheet 1. Whatever I had given that applied, so that has been there in the custom view. Same here, I will custom view, add sheet 2. Okay, and 3 custom view, sheet 2 show. And remember your watch window, something like that. Try everyone. Yes, class, you are able to do with custom views, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, grid lines. You want, you don't want. These are all view. So when the word says view, that means everything is for view. Formula bar, you want, you don't want. Headings, you want, you don't want. Zoom, by default, you'll have 100%. Okay, 200%. Zoom to a selection. So wherever you have kept your cursor, it will zoom. So I'll do it for 100%. Zoom to selection. See, it will zoom for where I've kept the cursor. Try. Okay. Is that clear now? Did you try?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the next class, we will do with the rest of the options in the view tab. So any